continuing with the other components of the CNG conversion. For the CNG, there are other claims, there are other material that we use, gadget that we use to complete it. Now this is what we call the gas reducer. Then we have the gauge here that shows the level of gas in the tank. This is a filler. This is where we fill gas into the tank. You can see this. Now from here, what other thing do I have to show you? You can see the here. This is a gas filter. Then this is what we call this the injectors. You can see it's 4 injectors. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see now we connect this one to the troughs of the car. This one is also connected. This one is connected. This one is connected to it. Understand? Now there are other simple wire connection that we did here. This is one of the things you can also get during the course of the practical. Understand? Then this is what we call this sensor. This is a sensor. Okay, this shows this device that switches the car from petrol to gas. When you start your car, the car doesn't start with gas, it starts with petrol. So this measures the heat, the temperature of the car before it switches directly to gas. This is a switch, and this is the main part of the car main car part of the CNG. This is CNG. This is we call this ECU. That's the brain box, not for the car, brain box for the CNG. You can see the other connection that we did here. Then how do we connect? Well, after connecting everything to the car, reprogram through this kit to this. You can see it. We connect this to the cable. From the cable, we connect it to our laptop and can do the necessary configuration. You can see that we didn't remove anything whatsoever from the engine. Everything is intact without removing anything from it. Understand? You can get it. So everything is intact. There's another thing I want to show you here apart from this. Let me show you this. So when you start your car, you start there. Then when you start, this comes up. Let me show you the practical of what I'm saying so you can really understand what I'm getting across to you. So when you start, you see it. You see? You start. I can't start because of something we do in the car. You can see it. When you start, you see the blinking. Understand? Then from there, this blink, you can see the green light blinking. The other one lemon at the top. So as soon as it switches to gas, when you start switching to gas, the bar, this particular light, make a stop here. The number of point that blinks here, that show after switching to gas, determine the level of gas in the tank. So we can get the level of the gas in your tank from here. You can also get this from the one at the back. You can see. Now after connecting this, one thing about start gas is this. The other body, the other key that doesn't make use of OBD, but our own system makes use of OBD. We use 6, 7, and 14. Yeah, 6, 7, and 14. We connect it, bring it together. Then after we've done this thing, how do you now connect? Let me ask you, how do you now program? How do you program the car? Do you program as soon as we complete it? No, we program. This is how we program. After completing the necessary configuration, we take it down straight to what? We take it straight to gas station. So I have to make it clear to you that it's not easy for any car to explode in Nigeria. Any car that exploded, they have to go and trace the history of that car. Do you know what I'm saying? That now after connecting all these things, this particular car will have to be taken to gas research, and I also praise NIPCO for what they are doing, the good job they are doing. Before they fill, they will check your configuration, setting the way you connect your car. If it's properly done, they fill. If it's not properly done, they ask you, they set the car away. Check this. This has the date of birth of the tank, the date of birth and this also show that it's certified. So when filling this gas, the tank, NEPCO will ask you to produce the ISO certificate that comes with it, one. Then number two, they also ask you to produce the certificate of the tank. The number of the certificate on the tank must be the same thing with the number of what is written on the neck here. So any car that explodes, they should go and look at it and find out. Especially when it comes from the back of the tank. So if the tank is properly done, and they use properly a good tank for connection, there's no car that should explode with CNG. We forbid it. So when things